Tradition is Christmas Eve is the Feast of the Seven Fishes. So one of the fishes is we're doing is shrimp, garlic shrimp, and this recipe that I have is courtesy of Damien who is the owner, chef owner and proprietor of a very famous restaurant in Boston called Carmelina's. So if you ever go to Boston, Carmelina's, it's in North End in Little Italy, and it's hard to get a reservation, but if you want one, you call me and we'll get you in. So what I'm doing now is I'm deveining the shrimp, and it's a little bit of a pain, but you got to do it because I never knew what the vein was, but I learned it's the pull the vein. Yeah, it's the poop line, right?
Poop line.
So, this is going to be broadcast.
That's okay. I'm your helper. I'm your elf.
I got my elf over here. So anyway, so we're going to devein it, and then we're going to fry it up and sauté it in wine and garlic and so on. And so get ready for that. You'll enjoy the dish. It takes, once the shrimp is prepared, it takes about 8-10 minutes to cook. Okay, deveining is very easy. You break one end, and you break the other end, and then you just pull it through. You just pull it through. You know, here you just easily just. I don't know why this one's not working. What? All right, we're deveining the shrimp, and this is sort of, I guess it's called the poop line, but it's a little string. You cut one end, you cut the other end, and then you pull it right through. So now we're gonna cook the shrimp. So we got olive oil in the pan. We're gonna get it hot, and I've chopped up some garlic, very thin slices, and as soon as the oil warms up, I'm going to put the garlic in it. Okay, so now I got the oil warm. I'm going to put some thinly sliced garlic. I want it to be just brown. Don't want to overcook it. Don't want to burn it. Salt a little bit. Alright, just keeping it cooking. I like to finish it off with butter at the end, the very end. Cooks up real fast. Put a little wine in here. Freshly chopped parsley.
Add the butter, key ingredient.
Add some butter. As Julia Child used to say, everything is always better with butter.
need my secondary maintenance.
There you go. All right, let's try it. Perfection. Really good. And that
I'm out of that.
is Damien DePaula's garlic shrimp.